Well, I just drug this side mic radio home for $15. Figured we'd take a chance on it. Key the thing up. I've got a crappy little mobile antenna hooked up to it. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. So it transmits. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But I got nothing audio-wise out of the thing. The volume cleaned up and turned up. Squelch is all the way down. Flipper between CB and PA. See the needle deflect a little bit. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's kicking out over the base antenna, so we should definitely be able to hear something here, but got nothing, no receive. So, have to pull it apart, clean it up, and see what we got in a little bit. How about it? Audio. Lost my audio on transmit too. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. I think it just needs to be cleaned up. Get the meter unlocked. See where we get with it. Okay, we're back. I cleaned up the face. Used deoxit on all the potentiometers and switches. And unlocked the needle. So now when we key onto this thing, it's funny, I don't have audio out of this speaker natively, but I plugged in an external speaker, and now I can hear with this radio. So here we go. Audio, test 1, 2, test 1, 2. So it's working. And we can key up on here. Audio 1, 2. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. So everything's working except getting audio out of the native speaker. And I guess I'll just have to check the speaker to see if it's working or not. But otherwise, 100% radio. Old side mic. Well, after inspecting everything, it turned out that the speaker inside the radio was dead. So I actually pulled it out, wired it up to a kind of a headphone adapter and plugged it into the external speaker, and it's just dead. Doesn't work. So I need to order a new speaker. Otherwise, the radio seems to be 100%. Got it in an external speaker. Key up this radio and talk to it. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And conversely, key that radio up to this guy. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this thing's working fine. Just needs a new speaker, and I think this will be a good radio to throw in a vehicle. So pretty happy I managed to pick this up. So it's working 100%. But anyway, that's what we got.